Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into a major tech story making waves not just in India but globally. The homegrown Indian software company Zoho has boldly claimed that it can challenge the giant Microsoft. Sounds big? Right. Let's understand why this is a huge moment for Indian tech and what it really means. Let's understand who is Microsoft. Microsoft is an American tech giant valued at over $4 trillion, bigger than the entire GDP of India. Its software and cloud services are used worldwide, and many large companies and governments depend on Microsoft products each and every day. Now let's talk about Zoho. Zoho Corporation, founded by Sridhar Vembu in 1996, is a rare Indian software company that has grown fully bootstrapped without external funding. For the financial year 2022 to 2023, Zoho reported revenue of 8,703 crore and a net profit of 2,749 crore. Its valuation in early 2025 is about 1.03 lakh crore, which is around 12.5 billion USD dollars. Zoho offers a wide range of cloud software products very similar to Microsoft's, including Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, Zoho Project, Zoho Mail, Zoho Invoice, Zoho Sign, and many more. With over 130 million users worldwide and offices around the globe, Zoho silently powers businesses like Amazon and Netflix with its CRM and other services. Recently, Ashwani Vaishnav, India's IT minister, announced on social media that he is switching all his official work presentations and documents from Microsoft PowerPoint to Zoho's platform to support the Swadeshi movement. This promotion gave Zoho a big boost and highlighted the government's push for local technology adoption. Sridhar Vembu's journey is inspiring. He chose to build India's tech legacy from his village in Tamil Nadu rather than going Silicon Valley, creating jobs and empowering rural areas. His vision is to make India a global software design hub. Zoho claims it can offer a better customer experience and compete globally without the massive marketing budgets of Microsoft. It now faces challenges like breaking global user habits, multiple enterprise integrations, and Microsoft's dominant position. But with over 30% year-on-year growth and a strong product suite, Zoho is gaining ground quickly. If Zoho gets listed on the stock market, its valuation could soar even higher, reflecting its rising influence in the tech world. The Zoho versus Microsoft story is really about India stepping onto the global tech stage with confidence, innovation, and self-reliance. It's a wake-up call to Indians and businesses worldwide to look at local alternatives that match global giants. This story is still unfolding, but Zoho is already a shining example of Indian entrepreneurship, providing that world-class software can come from anywhere. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more news like this. Also comment below what you think about this bold challenge.